I'm Douglas Horn from GoodBlock. I want to share what I think is the most exciting development in blockchain today. This is Decide Voter mobile app from GoodBlock, a front end for the Telos Decide governance engine on iOS and Android. It doesn't use your keys, it uses outside keys. It's a free app, ad-free. It's very exciting. Here I've just added an identity here, one of my blockchain accounts. This is running on the Telos mainnet right now actually. And the things I'm going to do are live transactions on Telos mainnet. Might be hard to believe if you're coming from other blockchains because it's so fast. All right, so what I want to do first is I'm going to look at some of the old amend proposals. I can filter these things. I want to look at this one about validator pay, which passed recently. Look how much it passed by. I can see people who voted on it. I can see how much it passed by. I can see what added text included into the Telos governance was. There's a lot of things I can do here. All this is happening live, by the way. Let's look at a live Telos Works proposal, and we'll filter through these. And there's one I want to look at called City Racers. Somebody's trying to raise money to make an awesome new game. It is not passing. That's okay. It's pretty early. Let's look at a few things here. So I'm downloading the proposal document that was stored on dStor, also from GoodBlock. Very exciting decentralized storage technology that's on Telos. All right, let's look at the votes here. So I voted yes, but I'm going to change my vote. I am signing Anchor because, again, we don't use your keys. These are all trusted third-party key managers. And look, so quick you can't even notice it. I went from yes to abstain. Let's log out. Let's go to another account I have and let's do the same thing. Okay, so quickly you can see I'm logging in from another account. This is my Douglas at TCD, Telos Crew Devs account, which is voting abstain. But really quickly here on my phone, I'm going to vote yes. And by the time we get back here, it's already yes, because we have half-second block times on Telos and no congestion. And there was no fee involved because we have free transactions. This is the speed of apps that you need if you want blockchain to work. Okay, I have my profile. I like my profile. I'm going to edit it because I'm actually working more than 18 hours a day. All right, how quickly does that come on chain? As soon as I approve this, these are all blockchain mainnet actions, and there it is. It's changed. You can find all of these on the chain. Let's look at who else is here. You can look for your friends, search people's blockchain accounts, especially those who have profiles. Hey, there's CJ, who also works at GoodBlock. Awesome person. Let's look at a few other things that we can check out here. I think we should look at different groups. So there's all kinds of groups here. We can join a group if we aren't already part of it, and then we can vote on their transactions too. This is all built in. This is something we're going to be launching in probably less than a week, as soon as it makes it through Apple approvals. So we're very excited about this. The amount of things you can do with Decide Voter are really just crazy. Let's take a look real quick at, we'll log out, and we'll switch to testnet. And here's my testnet account. And here we can look at a couple things that won't cost me money and I don't want to put on mainnet. All right, hey, this is the EOS.io Foundation account. Look at that. We can create a little poll. Hey, who's the biggest rock star on EOS.io today as a developer? By the way, this is there because I actually launched this. And so if you're the manager of a group and you launch something, you can modify it and manage it right within the app. Most people wouldn't see that though. Okay, so here I've gone and I've changed my vote to Brennan Ross. All right, and as quick as you can make a change, it's already reflected. Okay, what if we want to create our own ballot? I'm going to demo that later, but you can either upload files to dStor or you can link in files from elsewhere. We've built a pretty robust MVP plus on this. Here's another thing. We have a demonstrate democracy. That it's an actual proposal deciding how we're going to use our funds that we've allocated for carbon offsets. You can even create groups. Here I can create a group that's public, private, or invite. This is a very configurable system. You can add and delete accounts. There's a lot of crazy stuff you can do. So please take a look at Decide Voter once it comes out in a few days. This is really the state of the art of blockchain governance. As we see things like legal DAOs in Wyoming and more places around the world, this is how they're going to be operated. This is a tool that's ready today. This is something you can already use. It uses the Telos Decide governance engine, which is the most advanced blockchain engine, and this is the most advanced interface for it, Decide Voter Mobile. And I just think you're going to be blown away with it. Thanks a lot.